In this video, I'll show you how to host a meeting and invite participants in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're setting up a quick call or planning a scheduled meeting, Microsoft Teams makes it easy to bring people together. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and look at the left-hand menu. Click on Calendar to view your schedule. From here, select New Meeting in the top right corner. This will open the meeting setup window where you can enter the meeting details. Start by giving your meeting a title so participants know what it's about. Next, set the date and time, and choose how long the meeting will last. If you want the meeting to repeat, such as for weekly check-ins or regular team updates, you can set a recurring schedule as well. Now it's time to invite people. In the Add Required Attendees field, type the names or email addresses of the people you want to join. You can invite coworkers from your organization or external guests by entering their email addresses. Once you've added all the details, click Save. Your meeting will now appear on your team's calendar, and invitations will automatically be sent to everyone you invited. Each invite includes a meeting link that participants can click to join. If you want to start the meeting right away instead of scheduling it, go to the Calendar section and click Meet Now. Give the meeting a name, then choose whether you want to copy the meeting link, share it via email, or invite participants directly from Teams. When it's time to host the meeting, open it from your calendar and click Join. As the host, you'll have access to meeting controls like muting participants, sharing your screen, recording the meeting, and managing who can present. And that's it. You now know how to host a meeting and invite others using Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you out, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial.